What's up, everybody? In today's session, we would like to see together about the function related versus related table functions. Both functions are using a DAX to create relationship between tables in a data model, but a different purpose. For related function, is typically used in a scenario when you have established a relationship between two tables and you want to fetch a column value from the related table based on the relationship. So in this case, I would like to add a product name in the fact table. As you may see, we don't have it. So new column with the function of related, easily we can add product name. Yeah, related. And from the dimension product, I will bring English product name. So far, so good. What about the related table function? It's useful when you want to perform operation or aggregation on the related table. Uh, Means that in the star model, when I added a product name on the fact internet sales, the relation between these two tables is one to many. But in the case of that, I want to bring the transaction is vice versa. So I should use the related table. In this case, I will bring in the dimension product the number of transaction, new column, number of transaction. Do you think that just I use a related table and bring that uh, just fact internet say no, it shouldn't be because we get the error. What we need a one uh, iteration function. For example, we can use a controls based on this specific scenario. Now we have the transaction of the each product. Let's dive into second scenario. In this scenario, in the case of the customers was female, we gave 20% discount, and in the case of the male, 10%. So how we can do it by these two functions, related and related table function. As you can see, they have both the same result. To calculate discounts based on the gender, but please note that in the fact table, as you may see, we don't have the gender. And the gender, look, we don't have the gender, and we should bring the gender from dimension customer. So I create a measure called related discount. And first, we use a function of the sum x, and from the fact internal sales, we may add the sales amount. So, in the case of if dimension customer related, because we don't have the gender related dimension dime customer, and the column of the gender is equal to F, female. This cases, for example, give 20%, unless if the man will be 10%. So good. We create a measure. We can add a measure here. And first, the name of the customer. Then add the related discount. And then add the gender. Good. So that is based on the measure. And in the case of that, we want to use calculated column, we should definitely use related table. So in the fact internet stage, I add a column. In this case, I name it a related table count. More or less same scenario. We need one iterator function, SUMX, then related table. And from dimension customer, we may check that, okay, in the fact internet sales amount, multiply in the case of if, then there was a female, 0.20, unless 0.10 means that for the man, less discount. Good. Now add related table. Yes, same amount. Bye for now.